My name is Pradeep Kini, and I am an associate professor at Manipal University, and I am teaching architectural design there. And this particular workshop was a different kind of experience for us because I came with 4 of our MArch students, and we learned a lot about how building simulation can be used to optimize our building performance, and especially the building envelope performance, because that is so important in designing the optimized material selection. Actually, I came to know about the course from the website, from the Indian Institute of Human Settlements website, and also there was some awareness with my students. So because of that, we came to know about this program. And the minute I came to know about it, I immediately signed up because I looked at the content. It was way too impressive, and it has a lot of quantification of data, which normally architects don't actually, because we just focus mainly on aesthetics and design, but we don't really think about quantification of energy analysis. So this is where this course is actually helping us, so that we can have real data analysis of what we are designing and what our implications of our design is going to be at the site. So, and also, like, a lot of this, there is an emphasis on passive design, orientation towards solar sun path. So that is going to impact a big way for our energy savings, because which facade we can treat in like how optimized way we can treat different facades. So that is also a big thing. So definitely, I mean, this is combining, this course is actually putting everything together. It's about economics, it's about building energies, cost savings, it's about aesthetic appeal, thermal comfort. So it's been a very good experience for us. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to, spread the word about this, because it has been beneficial to me, and even the website is very informative. So definitely, it's going to, because this is an upcoming field. Building energy simulation is an upcoming field, and a lot of these engines, they don't have a graphical user interface, which is a so, when you combine these powerful engines with a user-friendly interface, you can do a lot of different things with respect to taking very good, effective design decisions. Actually, it was very crisp, and it's to the point. So I would say that, and also we had hands-on experience, and we solved many exercises together, and instructors were very helpful. So definitely, it's been a very clear and informative one-day program. Only thing is, maybe we can look into the master planning aspects. We are only looking at single building, but maybe we should look into more about groups of buildings, and how it is going to impact each other. And also, when we have different heights of different building, density of buildings, how it's going to impact on the cost savings and energy consumptions of the master plan. I think we need to look into the overall holistic site planning more than individual buildings.